Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you after installing the last version of macOS, still you can activate your Apple Intelligence. How you can do that, how you can activate your Apple AI. So in this case you have to go to the system setting here or at the corner to Apple logo, hit system setting. Okay, in system setting you have to go obviously Apple Intelligence, and you see here you don't see any button to activate or deactivate, but check here is saying something. Apple Intelligence require that Mac and Siri are the set to the same language. Currently your Mac is set to English United Kingdom and Siri is set to English United States, so you have to have the parallel or the same language in this case. So Siri language is United States. I click here, I change Siri to United Kingdom. It's fine. Now you can hit Apple Intelligence is on and Siri is on as well. Voice of the Siri, you can decide.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun, begin to shine through the clear night.
Is working. So let's see if command is detect or no. What is the capital of United States?
Washington DC is the capital of United States.
Okay, so this is the way you can fix your Apple Intelligence if it's not working. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.